Everyone, very good evening and warm welcome to this Passionpreneur meeting. Please excuse me, today I'm on wheel and it's my passion to join the Passionpreneur meeting. But I feel it's my honor to start with this meeting. Passionpreneur group is really working as a passionately. I'm still not a part of core team yet, but as I see that core team is really working very hard to get the genuine member into the group, and slowly people are really gelling with each other and gearing up. So this is the best start, I feel. And as I said, like, I'm a networking person, and this is one of the proud member I'm feeling like this group is. And I do not avoid any meeting from Passionpreneur. So as I said, I'm from the networking part. I would like to give the little bit suggestion to the newcomers, those are new into this networking club. Your introduction matters most, and that is called like elevator speech. Elevator speech in the sense, when in case there is a chance, if you are getting a 1 minute while you are passing through one elevator, and if you are meeting to any big industrialist or entrepreneur whom you have to introduce yourself, so how will you use your 1 minute, and what are the points you will try to cover? Do not just waste your time to give only the visiting cards and then say. There are the few points. In case if you are covering up, automatically a person can judge from your 1 minute that how much you can you have a reach to the customers, and what kind of quality you have, what all the USP you have, and what all the customers you have covered. So how best part of your SME or MSME or startup entrepreneur, so you can introduce within 1 minute. So I would like to start as like I'm giving my 1 minute presentation in general. If some of you must have listened to me. First of all, I start with my name and all. I'm starting myself. So same way I suggest like few points which should be covered and which can give you the example to the others how to present your 1 minute. And even once it is a curtail 1 minute to 40 seconds, then what are the points can be reduced, that we can judge it out, that how much it is important. So first I'm starting my 1 minute right now, and then we'll go with the Passionpreneur's introduction. Am I okay? Can I start?
Yes, sure.
Yes, ma'am. Yeah, ma'am. Sure.
All right. Okay. Once again, good evening, everybody. This is Nikita Desai. My company name is Papillon Resource Management Private Limited. I'm into HR recruitment and deputation, staffing solutions, and everything under one roof as HR related. We call it HR Platter Services. We are serving into the oil and gas, refinery, petrochemicals, manufacturing, IT, blind banking, facility management, many more industry. And since last 6 years, I'm running this business, whereas I'm having the experience more than 22 plus years from the corporate sector background. I'm academically very well strong with the 3 master degrees and plus 2 foreign languages. I'm running this business since last 6 years, serving into, as I said, the few industry. Plus, my top 5 clients covers the Jacob Engineering, Petrofac Engineering. These all are the big EPC company in India. Arkema Chemicals, IDFC Bank and all. My USP covers the technical and critical manpower which can be served within the stipulated time. We are serving to the pan-India location. I am associated with the few Indian HR association serving to the pan-India and out of India also. I'm looking the HR connects from the institutes and various connects from India from HR background. My top five clients covered already. So if you want this HR connects, that can be gives from my side. Once again, Nikita Desai, bringing living innovation is my tagline. That's all. I think I have covered my 1 minute. If someone has noted the timing.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes,
So I feel like there are the 4 to 5 points covers, like your background, then your top 5 clients covers, then your USP, and how much business experience you have. And in case some of them have the very tagline effective, they can emphasize on their tagline. So that can be covered, which are covering the 5 to 6 points. That's all. So this is called the elevators page. I hope this will help to all of us so that automatically we will start giving the 1 minute presentation very effectively. In case any question, come back to me. Thanks a lot. Thank you so much.
Yeah. Thank you, ma'am.
So I hand over to Deepak ji.
Yes, sure, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Vrishali, ma'am. Vrishali, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, we can start with you.
Okay. Good evening, everyone. Myself, Prashali. My company name is We Create. We are a Mockingbird studio. So I have a franchisee of Mockingbird Studio. So we are a HP certified company, and we provide customized wall graphic solutions, wall and glass graphic solutions like decal, wallpapers, vinyl wraps, customized canvas frames, signages, logos as well. We provide the services right from scratch. That is, you will not have to give us any graphic concepts. We will be able to give you concepts for the location that has to be done. As well as we do the designing, we have in-house setup for printing and fabrication. Also, we have in-house installers who are well trained. We cater to different industries like residential, corporate, hospitality, educational institutes, or any, rather any space which requires upliftment with graphics. uh, I have been working with a lot of interior designers and architects, even construction groups in Pune, as well as we have catered to different clients all across India. Mumbai is a head office, whereas we have catered to clients right from Himachal Pradesh to Chennai to Goa, Bangalore. So we have served clients all across India. Our USB is we can give you everything, the graphics right from scratch, as I mentioned, and we have in-house team. We have a dedicated experience of around more than 10 years altogether. So we will be able to tell you the kind of surface or the location, and we'll be able to suggest you the right kind of graphics for the required locations. Yeah, so again, that's from my end. Vrishali here. My company name is We Create. We are a Mockingbird studio. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am. Prachi, ma'am.
Yeah, hi everyone. This side Prachi. My name is Creative. My company name is Creative Her. We are interior designer, and we are basically from Delhi, Ghaziabad, Mon Nagar, and we are into residential as well as commercial also. We are into this business for last 6 years, and we are into all customized goods, everything. We do all 3D, 2Ds, everything, and especially our USP is that we can make anything like in customize as the customer requirements. We can make as per their demand, and that's it. Yeah, thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Amitabh. Amitabh Acharya. Amitabh Acharya. And please unmute yourself, Amitabh. Chiku Advimat. Sanjay ji. Sanjay ji. Asif Munawar.
Hello, am I audible?
Yeah, Amitabh.
Yeah, hello everybody. Nice to again reconnect. For me, 1 minute intro is little different. It's not about my company, my client base, and my connect with my industry. It's like suppose I'm into finance or banking or insurance, I will reflect that why I am required and why I should be effective to a elevator pitch. Because if I am the person who's selling myself properly and confidently, the other person will know that yes, this person is the right connect to who in this venture. So this very much short time, 30 seconds or 47 seconds, you have to connect with the person at a personal level. So suppose I'm Amitabh Acharya, I should connect with the elevator person in a very personal way, or in a way where he is linked to me in a short conversation. So there, my visiting card will matter later on. First is who's Amitabh Acharya, what is doing here with him in that context, and why he is the person, key guy. Maybe like I'm into finance. Why should be somebody tag me into finance? So that's the my pitch of doing things in 30 to 40 seconds to grab the attention of a person who's industrialist or a big consumer or a big blank or big client. Thanks.
Thank you, Amitabh.
Mm.
Mr. Asif Munawar. Mr. Vinu Prasad. Meghna ma'am.
Yeah, a very positive evening to all over here. Welcome to Crisscross Lingo. Press 1 for Tamil, press 2 for French, press 3 for Spanish, press 4 for Japanese, press 5 for Mandarin, press 6 for French, press 7 for Kannada, press 8 for Punjabi, press 9 for Gujarati, press 0 to contact Crisscross Lingo to know more about them, and press the star to know me more. But before you press the star, guys, I must introduce myself. I'm Meghna Shah, an edupreneur by profession and a co-founder of Crisscross Lingo. Herein we train all students from all age groups, starting from 4 till the age of 80. You can come and learn new foreign languages. The background is brought up in Bombay, settled in Ahmedabad now, and I have 2 master degrees and no 2 foreign languages. This is my background and an experience of 18 years into teaching. I'm an expertise in teaching small children from the age of 3.5. I can teach them any language you say. My ask would be any visa consultants, anyone who has some young girls who want to learn French, and then we can empower them. We are a total women empowered company. We encourage young girls to take up teaching as a side profession. So anyone who's got young girls who want to do. Thank you. Yeah. So my asks would be only people who are interested in learning foreign languages as well as teaching foreign languages. So thank you. That's Meghna Shah from Crisscross Lingo.
Thank you, Meghna ma'am. Ritesh Ralekar. Ritesh. Mr. Ritesh.
Hi, good evening.
Hi, sir.
I'm based from Pune and I'm a ERP consultant, and now I'm working on automation technologies like data entries and automated mails. So this is my I'm getting expertise, and also I'm also a co-founder for the Passionpreneur, and the Passionity. It's been a 6 month. We are continuing our journey and learning and networking. So all about the my introduction and the unstoppable passionity. So we grow together on this platform. Thank you.
Thank you, Ritesh. Deepesh ji. Mr. Deepesh. Mr. Ravi.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Hello, everyone. Myself Ravi Dodia from Pro Slides. जी हाँ, जैसे हम रेस्टोरेंट में जाते हैं तो टेस्ट तो वहाँ पे इम्पोर्टेंट होता है, बट वो प्रोडक्ट की प्रेजेंट कैसे करते हैं वो भी इम्पोर्टेंट होता है. ठीक उसी तरह आपका बिजनेस, आपका आइडिया या आपकी स्ट्रेटेजी है, उसको भी सही तरह से प्रेजेंट नहीं किया तो वो इतना अच्छे से खिल के नहीं आएगा. तो हमारी कंपनी क्या कर रही है, आपकी जो आइडिया है उसको क्रिएटिवली डिजाइन करके आपको जहाँ पे प्रेजेंट करना है वहाँ पे आपको हेल्पफुल करेंगे. Thank you very much once again, Ravi Dodia from ProSlide. Thank you.
Thank you, Ravi ji. Balchand Sutar. Mr. Balchand Sutar.
Hi, good evening, sir.
Yes.
Hello. I am audible?
Yes, Balchand. Yeah, please.
Balchan from BJ Decors, Bangalore. I'm an interior decorator. We does interior solutions like electrician, plumbing, in carpentry work, PUP, plumbing, and this painting work, civil work for all over Bangalore. And we are doing in Mumbai and as well as Hyderabad also. The projects are ongoing. If there is any requirement, please be in contact. Thank you.
Thank you, Balchanji. So, members, if you have any suggestion for Unstoppable,
Thank you, sir.
that you can also add. Um, Vardaki design.
Hello. Hello.
Yes, please.
I'm audible?
Yes,
Am
sir.
I?
Please continue.
Good evening, everyone. Myself Venu Prasad, and I'm from Vardaki, Hyderabad. So we deal with designing and execution too, and we are into architectural, interiors, and landscaping, and many more graphic designing also. A small brief about my Vardaki Design Studio. It is a one cool platform where we can add beauty to your space according to your budget and comfort, whether it is small or big. We deal with everything according to your uh, requirement and all that. And these are a few of the projects which we have completed like recent, last 1 year. We did interiors in Rustomji and some in Hyderabad and a few in Navi Mumbai also. And almost like in this last 1 year, we have completed almost 10 interiors and 2 architectural projects too. And we do projects in Mumbai as well as in Hyderabad. So these are a small brief introduction about Vardaki Designs. And the second thing is our USP, like we are more into modular furnishing spaces, because it helps us to reduce the time consumption also. At the same time, it gives a great finishing work, the completed clean finished work. So this is our USP. And once again, this is Vardaki from Hyderabad. Venu Prasad signing off. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Umesh Urada, sir. Umesh Urada, sir. Please unmute yourself. Umesh, sir.
Just a minute. Yeah.
Yes.
Good evening, everyone. I am Umesh Arora from Noida, and I am into landscaping and organic farming consultancy. And we do in Delhi NCR and abroad, in different states also, landscaping projects for townships, societies, hospitals, institutes, etc. Nowadays, we are working on terrace gardens also, and how to grow vegetables on your terrace or balcony. So we are into consultancy, and we provide the material also in horticulture, from seed to anything you want in plantations. We can provide the consultancy as well as material. And we are right now into training also. In this COVID time, everybody needs counseling and training. We are into right brain activation. Anybody wants counseling for any kind of problem, from relationship to how to grow his passion or her passion. So we provide counseling and training also. So we are into organic farming consultancy, landscaping, and we are to training. This is in the COVID time. We are just started. So anybody wants to connect with me, my company name is Link and Grow India, and we support people for their passions. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
My suggestion
Chiku
again, my suggestion again for Deepak for your Unstoppable this group,
yes,
for to make a directory or a website link where we can see and post our requirement.
Yeah, sure.
Connect. We can connect with each other so that we I liked some content from somebody. So some person is from Hyderabad in landscaping, and one person pro design from I don't remember the name. So we can see he can design for something for us. So if we want to connect, so we
Right.
should have some connect in website or in the directory form.
Absolutely.
Right. Thank you.
Chiku Advimat. Mr. Chiku Advimat.
Yeah, hello. Yeah, this is
Yes,
Chiku Arvimat. I'm from Pune. I'm from Resigned Interiors. I do interior designing and architecture also. My main work nowadays is in Chakan. I'm working on industrial designs. Thank you.
Thank you, Chiku. Monica ma'am. Monica Interiors. Monica ma'am. Please unmute yourself.
Hello.
Monica ma'am. Yeah, please.
Hello. Yeah, good evening, Deepak ji. Good evening, Ritesh ji. I'm Monica Ramaya. I'm from Navi Mumbai. I'm an interior designer. I'm currently into freelance designing, and I would love to provide 3D visuals for your imaginations in reality. And also, I'm not into execution right now, but I would be soon coming into execution also. I have upgraded workspace in Hiranandani, Mumbai. And also I'm currently into designing, freelance designing, that is, as I said. I have designed a banquet hall in Rajasthan. I have designed a living room and a bedroom space for a newly married couple in Hyderabad. And I'm currently into many such projects. So if you want any interior design projects, so do let me know. I'm a very passionate designer. I would directly connect to your imagination and get it into reality. Thanks once again, Monica Interiors. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am. Akash Gupta. Mr. Akash Gupta.
Good evening, everyone. Hello.
Yes, please.
Good evening, everyone. This is Akash Gupta from KD Interiors, and we are providing painting and polishing services and false ceiling work in Delhi NCR and Pan India also. So we have experience of almost 25 years in the interior field. So you can let me know if there is any projects or anything regarding it. Thank you.
Mr. Rahul.
Deepak ji, am I audible?
Yeah.
Yeah. So hello everyone. Good evening to all. I am a software engineer and I have been into business from last 11 years, from 2009 basically, and I'm helping small and mid-scale companies, not only architects, not only civil engineers, not only construction or builders. I'm also helping giants like ICICI, Lombard, the insurance company, and HCL, like the technology giants. So I had been their vendors from last 11 years, and I'm helping them to create their technology presence and their web presence. So I can help you in this regard. I'm reaching out to you because I can help you in terms of websites, mobile applications, e-commerce applications, and e-learning applications. So once again, Rahul Lekroy from Pune, I can help you in that. Thank you, Deepak ji, and thank you, Ritesh ji.
Thank you, Rahul ji. Mr. Nawab. Mr. Nawab. Chaya Jan ma'am. Please unmute yourself. Chaya Jan ma'am. Mr. Nawab.
Hello.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Good evening, everyone. I'm Chaya Jain from Surat, Gujarat. I'm doing interior work, residential and commercial projects both, and freelancing AutoCAD designing. If anybody require, please let me know. Thank you once again, Deepak ji, Ritesh ji, Excellence Interior from Surat.
Thank you, ma'am. Mr. Viral Jha.
Good evening, all. Am I audible? Yeah.
Yes.
Good evening. This is Viral Shah from Rushabh Aluminium and Glass, and we are one-stop solution for all the glass and aluminium fabrication work. Say it sliding window or aluminum partition, glass partition, or aluminum partition, say it in a residential or commercial space. And we are 30 years young company, having a staff strength of 25 plus. We have worked with couple of giant company like Rustomji Builders, Maninfra Construction, Praj Construction. That's I would like to get connect with interiors, architects, builder developers. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Viralji. Mr. Tarun Saxena.
Yeah, good evening, everyone. I'm Tarun, representing my company All About Furniture from Delhi. My factory is in Greater Noida, and as the name suggests, we are into customization of furniture for residential as well as for hospitality projects. So we cater all sort of furniture, including wood, metal, stone, or any elements in it. Plus, we do turnkey interiors also. 25 lakhs plus, not below that. If it is 25 lakhs plus, we do interiors also, but below that we don't do. For customized furniture, yes, we do all volumes of furniture in Delhi NCR plus Pan India. We have recently completed a hotel in Dehradun. We have done a restaurant in Jaipur, and we have done two 4,400 square feet properties in Noida. So for any of your requirements for furniture related products, please do contact me for that. Thank you.
Thank you, Tarunji. Mr. Vidyut. Mr. Vidyut.
Hello, good evening. Yeah, I am Vidyut from Chennai. I am a spiritual teacher, an energy healer, and also I help youngsters in handling their relationships at their delicate age of youth. I guide them whether to enter a relationship or to continue one, or even if it's good for everybody to come out of a relationship also. We conduct a lot of spiritual workshops across the WhatsApp platforms. And in the month of March 2020, I was blessed with some divine DNA activation chants, which we have come out with an audio in the first week of August. And the benefits are mind-blowing. If we start activating our dormant or sleeping DNA strands, the sky is the limit. So if anyone wants to go, and the group of mine is Vibrant Energy Group. Thank you, Ji.
Thank you, Vijay Ji. Mr. Piyush. Mr. Piyush Bapna.
Yeah. Good evening, everybody. This is Piyush Bapna. I am from Indie Projects Pune, having almost 20 years of experience in business, and we are purely turnkey contractors. We work with architects and interior designers, and we help them. We help them build their designs. We are not interior designers, but we are purely turnkey contractors. And we execute their designs end to end, including material. We do average 8 to 10 projects a month, and I have a team of around 20-25 people, and we help these people execute their designs. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Piyush Ji. CA Ashish Bajaj. Ashish Bajaj Ji.
Yes, sir. Thank you for being included me in this valuable group. My name is Ashish Bajaj. I have a firm name in my name, Ashish K. Bajaj and Company. So I have an experience of post-qualification experience of 14 years. Out of 14 years, 12 years, I was in job in various consulting firms where I served to many Japanese companies, US companies, and Chinese companies also. So after a job of 12 years, I started my own practice for a period of, for the last 2 years, I've been in practice. So my USP is that I can help the businesses even after incorporation of them, because by providing my own contacts. So it is not necessary that the person should be engaged only for the purpose of finance, accounts, and taxation, but rather businesses may be assisted by such consultants, and that may be obviously free of cost, nothing more than that. So that's it. Thank you, sir.
Yeah, thank you, Ashish ji. Mr. Ravindra. Mr. Ravindra. Mr. Sharma.
Hello. Hello.
Yes, Ravindra. Yes, please.
Hi, myself Ravindra. I'm from my company name is Complete Tech Solution. We are located at Bangalore, HSR Layout, Bangalore. We are the company. We do the we are the system integrator, and we are doing the sales and service of all the systems like systems, laptops, and servers. We also resell the softwares like Microsoft or any antivirus like Trendmicro or McAfee or Securite, and we do take the AMC. And I recently joined in the COVID time only. I joined this company, and previously I was working as a IT manager for a hotel, Lemon Tree. Now I'm looking from this group some helps or some good contact and all. Thank you, Ritesh ji, for joining this group. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Ravindra. Mr. Batuk, sir. Batuk, sir, please unmute yourself. Dipesh ji.
Hello.
JK.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Today was the meeting. I never
Yes,
knew.
sir. Please.
Just now I.
Sir, there is meeting. Other than paid membership, there is meeting on every Tuesday and Friday. Other than Saturday, our internal meeting, there is a separate meeting for every Tuesday and Friday.
Acha. So I never knew. Just now I saw that the meeting is going on. So I just. So
Right.
what do you want to speak?
Just introduce yourself, please. Sir. For 30-40 seconds.
So I am Batuk Monto from Lucknow. Working as a general manager in a real estate company. So this is all. I just want to see how we can work together and do some good work. That's all. Anybody wants any help from me from Lucknow, UP, he can call me. Thank you.
Thank you.
Hello.
JK Design.
Yes.
Hello.
Yes, Dipesh.
Dipesh.
Yes, Dipesh.
Yeah. Hello. This is Dipesh Navlakha from Pune. I am a civil contractor. We execute industrial, residential, and commercial projects. We also do renovation work and interior designing work also. If anybody has any requirement, they can call me. Thank you.
Thank you, Dipesh ji. Designer. There is name JK Designer, Galaxy M30.
Hi. Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Hi.
Yeah, ma'am.
Khushbu Thakkar. Me and my husband Jatin, we both are interior designer basically, and I'm holding a MBA degree with interior as well. So we have put up at Raipur, Chhattisgarh. We basically work with design process and execution, and give like 90% of the design execution, guarantee that it will be taking 90% according to the 3D views given by us. And secondly, we both are in the teaching field as well. The softwares we teach in this interior field is 3ds Max, AutoCAD, and V-Ray. So anyone who needs to get any design done or 3D view or required anywhere in India, you can contact us. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am. Sharma ji, you have raised the hand.
Hello everyone, good evening. My name is Shardul Sharma. I'm a director of Nicolak Solutions Private Limited, which is based in Pune. We are basically the lighting consultant based in Pune. Also, we are the interior and architectural material supplies. We deal with the residential, commercial, facade, hospitality, and landscape projects. Currently, I'm working on a project for a lighting consultation for facade, which is situated in Nigeria. And the major project which we have done is at Dehradun Airport. We have done the lighting consultation for Dehradun Airport. We have the services which we provide is lighting solutions, cladding solutions, roofing solutions, acoustic solutions. And we have a very amazing and various exclusive products. If you need any exclusive product, you can just contact me. And currently, to create awareness about the importance of the lighting consultant, we are giving free consultation to our clients. So anyone who is looking for the lighting consultant, in pan India, you can just let me know, and we will help you to enhance your ambience into interior, into exterior, whatever projects you need for the lighting. So this is what Shardul Sharma, Director of Nicolux Solutions. We are the lighting consultant based in Pune. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Sarvalji. Anyone left? Nawab Safiji. Galaxy M30.
Hello, am I audible?
Yeah, please.
Yes, sir, you are audible. Yeah, good evening. My name is Manish Dhiman, and my firm name is Kazi Trading Company. We are trade agents in minerals, grains, dry fruits, and other break bulk. We are based in Mumbai, and we are active in the business of international agro commodities and trading. So, in basic, we are acting as an agent and deal makers to traders, buyers, and suppliers of bulk cargo and commodities, like grains and minerals, and non-ferrous and ferrous metals from all over the globe. And currently, we are working on a project with giant named Mohit Minerals and Indian Metallurgical Resources. So anyone who just want to source the material regarding grains, or whether it's minerals, commodities, or whether it's ferrous and non-ferrous commodities, just let me know. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. So hope, I think everyone covers.
आप रह गए दीपक
Anyone
जी?
left, please?
आप रह
Sorry?
गए? आप रह गए?
मैं रह गया. Okay. Yeah, hi everyone. This is Deepak Gurwara. We are designer, project management consultant, and tech design and build projects. We are based at Delhi. We are working for on Pan India. We are working for Wipro, IBM, Uflex. So if anyone needs help over there for HR Connect or anything, so I will help you out. So thanks everyone. This is once again Deepak Gurwara. Thank you.
So can I say something in between?
Sure,
Yeah,
sir.
sure.
दीपक जी, ये आपका जो लोगो है और जो उसका इन्फिनिटी वाला डिजाइन है दोनों ओ में, इट इज रियली टू गुड. आई जस्ट वांट टू कांग्रेचुलेट यू. बहुत ही सुंदर बनाया आपने.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. This is made by Ravi. Ravi?
Is he here?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah.
He's handling
Ravi ji,
all
it
the
is really
graphics.
beautiful and a very good idea.
Thank you, sir. Thank you
Unstoppable
very much,
passion,
sir.
पुनर का दोनों बहुत ही अच्छा है. आप सब सब कुछ कर. I would like to connect with him. How to get in touch with him?
Yeah.
Sir, I shared my number in chat box, so you can connect
Okay.
me.
Surely, surely ji.
Yeah.
So we are opening for this for any discussion. If you, somebody wants to discuss anything, I think introduction is over now. Everyone given that.
Sir, वही अगर प्रॉपर डायरेक्टरी बन जाए सिटी वाइज या जो
So because there is a
फील्ड में है उसके हेडिंग के हिसाब से.
There are few things. We are working on a separate Telegram page, but that and also we are working on a directory and format. So there are, but this is little because I think you have joined first time this meet, if I'm not wrong.
हेलो दीपक जी.
हाँ जी, मैं पहली पहली बार आया हूँ, मुझे एक्चुअली पता भी नहीं था, बट बाकी के देखने से समझ में आया कि 1 मिनट में इंट्रोड्यूस करना है मुझे अपने आप को।
मेरा छोड़ना क्या होगा
विद्युत सर, विद्युत जी,
हाँ जी,
Unstoppable Passionpreneur platform gives members who like to
बहुत
present
बहुत आवाज
something,
आ रहा है पीछे से। हाँ हाँ जी,
who like to present on some topics. Then this platform is open, and we have done a lot of knowledge sharing session till now since last 6 months. Maybe on HR policies,
Very
then
good.
how to recruit, then on even on WhatsApp business, and on many things. We have a YouTube channel. I will share with you, so you can get the
Please.
idea. So what kind of session we are doing and how we are conducting a lot of meetings here.
हाँ, तो मेरा भी एक मैं वेबिनार प्रेजेंट कर सकता हूँ ऑन डीएनए एक्टिवेशन चार्ट्स। आई डू लॉट ऑफ वेबिनार्स अराउंड 30 to 40 मिनट्स का, तो अगर मुझे मौका देंगे तो सबके लिए बहुत अच्छा रहेगा।
Definitely, sir.
Yes, sure, sir.
Hi, Deepak ji.
Yes,
Hi.
Nawab ji. Yes.
Good evening. Myself Nawab. मेरा इंट्रोडक्शन तो नहीं हुआ दीपक जी।
आपको सर काफी बार आवाज मारी शायद आप।
He was on good mood, sir.
थोड़ा I just introduce myself, sir. Myself, Nawab. I am the managing director from Fanatas UPVC Doors and Windows, Bangalore. We are into UPVC from 2005. We have started UPVC to UPVC. Almost now is 15 years. We are residing at Bangalore, northwest of Mutan Nagar, Matikere. And we deal in fixed casement, sliding, ventilators, doors and windows. We do residential and commercial projects, sir. We deal almost 5 to 7,000 square feet of profiles in Bangalore. We do retail and projects, sir. If anyone required, please help me for the required. I can help you for the things, sir. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you, Nawab ji. So Nikita ma'am, Amitabh.
May I have a word with Nawab ji if you permit?
Nawab ji, you can drop your number on a chat box. Viral ji will connect you.
Okay.
Amitabh. Nikita ma'am.
Nikita Vora.
Yes, I'm here. I'm there.
I think Nikita Vora ma'am also joined. Ma'am, you can also please introduce yourself.
Yeah. Hi guys, I am Nikita Vora. I am into digital marketing. I coach entrepreneurs on my webinar as well as I do one-on-one consultation to companies who want to grow 2 times and 3 times in short span of time. You can join my free sessions on Thursday. Ask Nikita from 6 to 7.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Deepak ji.
I think today we have seen the variety of people and have given the very confident 1-minute presentation. So quite, it was amazing today. Even many members have tried to cover up their good points. So this is the right,
it was very nice session. It was a very nice session from all the participants, and watching this Passionpreneur grow from a baby step for last 7 to 8 months. What I feel is now we are into a stage where surrounding us and surrounding everywhere, things are moving in a right direction, and this is the right time to connect, collaborate, and grow ourselves in a growing community. And specifically, we can extend hands to each other and grow together. And I would like to hope that everybody takes this session, or we do 2 capsule sessions every week seriously, and they can outreach people across India, across geographies, and we can grow together. The idea is to grow together and learn and collaborate. So that is really happening, and it's very nice to see everybody trying their best to self in 1-minute session. It was a very nice, you can say feeling I had today. Now, a really good session today in being. I enjoyed a lot, and thanks a lot for everybody to participate in this session today.
Thank you, Mitra. So Amitabh, Nikita, and Ritesh, now we wind up or?
Suggestion
Deepak ji,
from
can I say
members?
something? Deepak ji, can I say
Yes.
something?
Yeah, suggestion will come.
Welcome, welcome.
Yeah, hi. Actually, just I want to say, like, मैंने शायद पहले भी दीपक जी से बात करी थी कि like except interior designers, तो they can get a business, right? But थोड़ा सा it's tough for interior designers to get a business from all of us. No doubt that we can get a links and we can get a links के we can do that work. But थोड़ा सा it's tough for us to get a business. So is that possible for only interior designers, or anybody wants, they can give us small presentations what they have done, matlab their work presentations in that group, maybe not more than 5 minutes or 10 minutes, but like you can divide the groups into 10 or 5 people, and they can give their presentation what they have done work. Because only like saying कि I am interior designer and I do 3D and 2D works, so nobody will able to trust me and give me a work. जब तक वो मेरा काम नहीं देखेंगे, like what I have done and all that, तो उससे थोड़ा सा और trust बनेगा. That's my own suggestion.
So Pratiji, because today we have almost 35 people. So
Okay.
if we will conduct 5 minutes, 5 to 10 minutes presentation, it will take a lot of time. So that's why we have created a separate group, which is a paid membership. Which, I think you are also part of that.
Yeah, I'm
that
also
we
part
will
of
work
that.
on. That we will work on that, because in 70, 100 people is really very difficult. Your session is definitely we will work on this also.
Okay.
Let's see how. Yeah.
Okay, we can work
Because
on that
we are-
which are paid, so that they can give their presentations.
Hello,
yes. Who is this? Yes, please.
Deepak ji, Nawab here.
Yes, sir.
Hello, can I speak?
हाँ नवाब जी बोलिए.
It's a very good platform because I am very new for the things. Some I think so. Some are old for the things. For the new, what is the things? How to start up for the things, sir? In this group, can you just tell us?
There are 2 points. We are conducting regular webinars, right? So if somebody, like if Nidhi ma'am and Monica ma'am have given one webinar on a few topics of kindergarten. So that is the way to increase the visibility. It's not just a product to share.
Yeah.
Automatically, if Monica ma'am have given one webinar on kindergarten, she has just automatically shared the knowledge also, and also her visibility is also increased. That is the alternate way to best way, even not the alternate way. I can say the best way to get the increase your visibility. Just sharing a product and services is means is for 70 people is very difficult to 70, 100 people to arrange every Tuesday, Friday. People might lose their interest after some time, because everyone is sharing
It
the
will
product
be
and
only
services.
on Tuesdays, or it will be on every week of Tuesday and Friday, sir? Meeting
Every week on Tuesday and Friday. Every week. Tuesday and Friday.
Tuesday and Friday. It will be the same timing of 8 p.m. only, sir. It will be of 8 p.m. only.
Yeah, we have kept them from 8 p.m. from the starting phase only. 8 p.m. is the right time for all of us.
Okay.
Also, actually, when you present something on the in front of 40-50 people, okay, this is not just a 40-50 people. What we are doing further, after the presentation, we are creating the video and sharing that video link to various groups, also on our Facebook page, also on the LinkedIn page. So that visibility is going beyond these groups, and it is reaching to many people. So
Okay, it's a
that
wonderful.
name and that topic, it's going.
Yeah.
See, if
It's a
you
wonderful
are,
to
if you are
hear,
into
sir. Yeah.
so I advise you, as you are into UPVC windows.
Yes, sir.
So you
I'm
give
into
the
UP.
webinar on UPVC, right? So
Yes, sir.
how means technical ideas you can share. That way you share the knowledge of your product, not
Definitely.
directly talk about your product. It's
Fine.
indirectly you can increase your visibility,
Sure,
right?
sure, sir. Sure,
Yeah.
So someone can find some opportunity in that business also.
Fine. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you.
And even people can share their success stories also during pandemic. Some of them must have got the good result by changing some of the alternates and everything. So you can share success story relates, and automatically customer gets related stories to their problems. So automatically you can get connections to such kind of people. So see, whenever this is a get together, so let's come up all together and success can be shared. Hello.
Yeah. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, so that's my I mean, that's we have seen. If I'm telling you my overcome challenge and everything, automatically people understand my strength of business, my handling the challenges and everything. So automatically people come up with your to help you out. And even I can correlate to someone else even. In case if anyone looking for some specific ask from customers and all, we can connect to each other. So let's be specific. How to be a specific, that's more important during the networking. In general, if I'm asking, I need the HR connections, then people won't understand. If I'm asking the Blue Star company from Thane, if someone can connect me, I would be very, very happy to get connection of the HR department of Blue Star. So it's so specific ask. So let's try to emphasize from that point of view as well. Right?
Very true, ma'am. Very true.
Yeah. So let's all come together with the good suggestions so that we can grow up. Right?
Sure, ma'am.
Yeah.
Deepak ji, can you refresh us with the process of becoming a paid member और क्या charges वगैरह है अभी बताएंगे कि वापस से post डाल दोगे आप?
Sir, we will ping you.
हाँ जी.
Sir, I will send you personal message.
Thanks, everyone.
Thank you, sir.
And then we can wind up today, Deepak ji.
Yeah.
Thank you very much for a wonderful
Right. We can.
organization for the things, sir. Thank you.
Thanks a lot. Thank you all being
On
part
coming
of
Friday, we
Thanks,
will
everyone.
have a session on innovative strategy to brand your product. So let's join on 9th October at 8 p.m. on Friday. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Bye all.
Thank you everyone.
Thank you, sir.
Thanks a lot. Nice connecting.
Thank you, nice connecting.
Thank you,
everyone. It
Thank
was
you.
nice connecting. Let's keep connecting.
Thank you, guys. Thank you.